Good morning, Thursday, April 23. Today we're going to talk about the March on Washington. That was that amazing speech that we talked about yesterday. It's on page 418 in your book. We read part of it together. If not, you might want to read the whole thing. It is such an amazing speech. I meant to give you just 12 minutes through the 17 minutes, but it recorded the whole thing. But that's okay. Listen to it. But really focus on the word pictures that Dr. King presents. And it's throughout the whole thing, and it'll probably even help you with language arts and your writing. So really focus on that and enjoy that speech. Okay, and then we're going to for the rest of the day, you're going to watch the Children's March. I assigned that on Tuesday. You have until Friday to watch it. It's 41 minutes long, so be able to, space out a whole chunk of time to watch that. Also, tomorrow, check Power School for your missing assignments because tomorrow night at 3 o'clock, it goes out to your parents if you have any missing assignments. If you think you turned them in, just turn them in again and let your teacher know because sometimes we're getting the files with no files attached. So just do it again, all right? You won't get marked late for it. Read page 418, 419 in your book. It says be able to answer questions on Google Forms. Probably Friday morning I'll have a Google form out there for you to look at just to make sure you guys read it. All the links will be attached. Actually, only one link will be attached, and that is going to be for the MLK speech. So if you have a little extra time, watch the movie tomorrow. If not, you have until Friday. It was great seeing you guys yesterday, and have an awesome day. All right? See you guys. Bye.